Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious grilled tuna fish. First, select high-quality tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful crust. Next, season your tuna generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a light drizzle of olive oil. For an extra flavor boost, you can marinate the steaks for about 30 minutes before grilling. Achieving perfectly grilled tuna requires a hot grill. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, aiming for around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to lightly oil the grates to prevent any sticking. Carefully place your seasoned tuna steaks on the hot grill. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. Remember to flip the tuna only once to get those appealing grill marks. Knowing when your tuna is perfectly cooked is key. Most prefer tuna medium rare, showing a beautiful, slightly pink center. Use an instant-read thermometer for an internal temperature of about 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid overcooking, as tuna quickly becomes dry and tough. After grilling, let your tuna steaks rest for 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful result for your meal. Now for the best part, serving your delicious grilled tuna. Enjoy it immediately, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For a balanced meal, consider pairing it with a crisp green salad or vibrant roasted vegetables. A light sauce like a lemon dill vinaigrette can beautifully enhance the tuna's natural flavors. Finally, a sprinkle of fresh herbs such as parsley or cilantro adds a lovely touch for both taste and presentation. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.